Traders, good morning. We did it again. We followed other market participants. We saw at the high price tags what other market participants done in the past. We looked at order flow to confirm if new money was going to come in and do the exact same thing. And we caught the fade. Check out how we did it, guys. It was a good one. Traders, good morning. Good morning. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. We are a little over 4 minutes until cash open. Hopefully you guys are seeing my screen. We don't have any economic news to report today. So no news to potentially be catalyst to sell or buy. But we are pushing up against last week's, well, actually we trading above last week's of extreme high of 226.93. So that was here, right? So I have single prints from yesterday, from last session. The 17th would be here. So we're trading above that. We're in the territory of January 6th extreme high. We said we're pushing just above that. And what I'm seeing in the footprint chart or order flow chart, we're pushing above that. But here's the 915 candle. As we're getting to the 227s price tag, there's little to no volume here. And in this current candle of 925, this thing little to no volume up in these price points, the high or the mid 227s. We're seeing interest here, the low 227s again here and here. So that's telling me that just by looking at past performance, that other market participants for IWM didn't agree with price tag. If you look at the the value, right? So I have it split. So here is the 15th, the 16th, and the 17th of last week. The 16th and the 17th. So the 17th went up in value from the 16th. So volume's going up, value has gone up. But here is a price difference, right? So we opened roughly 226.84 and we closed around 225.41. So even though the value of IWM has gone up, there are other participants that aren't agreeing with price being in the 226s, now in the 227s. It's a high price tag. So just logically thinking, value has gone up, but price is down, at least from session to session. And then looking at the previous weeks, right? So we've gone up in value, but price has gone down. So just following what the other participants have done in the past and seeing what they're trying to do now, we're going higher and higher. You can probably make a case that there's volume there. So we may need to be careful with that. I think unless we see some heavy evidence, I am looking to sell, but because I'm seeing some volume here, that can tell me that they're just willing to push it down. Right, there's sell orders there. So I think I'm gonna be more on the conservative side, unless I see some other evidence, and we're still pushing higher in the 227s. But I think once we drop, if we were to drop, and I'm seeing evidence of price going higher and less volume, I think I probably will wait to get into the market until we drop the 227s, maybe 227.28, because we're in the 226s, 227s now. So it may be a smart move to play the 227s, even though with 45 seconds left, 227 price tag is a little high, but we all know that's going to change at open. So right now I have 226s ready to go. Unless price change, then I may flip to the 227s. Okay. So let me do that. And let's do that. We got, oh, so we're pushing really high. So I think 227s may look maybe the play to go with 14 seconds left. Depending on price, I still like the fade, and I'm seeing evidence of the sell potentially. So, all right, we should be opening 2-1 now. All right. So we are, see that's going higher and higher. And 227 price tag. is now 76 per contract. So I kind of like that. Just going to be patient. I like how we are going higher and higher, less and less volume, less interest. Just waiting on. I'm gonna be a little patient with this one. Be a little patient. Yeah, we're pushing higher. Evidence is there though. Oh, do. So still pushing higher. So we're in the 228s. Price is not worth it though. As we're going higher and higher, we're not seeing any interest there. So I only have 228s in my thing. I have 227s, 226, and 225s in my watch list. All right, so I think I'm ready to enter. Just want to see a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take this 59 cent per contract. I am in. Let me put that in my Discord. 59 cents, so 69 cent would be my half. Get that out of the way so I can see. We're pushing higher and higher, but there's no interest there. So let's just see what it do from there. I didn't talk about it earlier, but we are three standard deviations above. We are trading on the extreme, weekly extreme. Okay, so we are starting to see some movement. So 59 was my entry. I'm trying to get 69. It's at 61. So not quite the half that I'm trying, at least trying to get half. If I can get half, I'm good, but not there yet. Right now I'm at break even. Let me open up my Discord. So 64. So 59 was my entry. It is now 64. So 59 to 69 would be profit, at least half of a goal. Now I think if we drop to this candle, go from green to red, you see I didn't catch that, but that's 127,000 volume there. So I'm trying to get, there we go. I was trying to make sure I get my order straight. Put my Discord back up. So I'm almost at the halfway mark, 50, so 68. That should be 69 right there. All right, 69. So I got half goal, guys. Move my stop to protect that. And I am trying to get at least 70. Okay. All right. So still 69. I'm looking to get 79. Make sure we good. Okay. All right. Almost there. 78. This will be a full goal day. I was there 1 cent away. I moved my stop, so I'm good on profit. Let's see. Almost there. So I'm gonna probably take it all here. That's all right. I'll work with half. And like I got profit today, so we are good. I would have loved. I was 1 cent away from full goal. We still the last 24. Sorry, 25 cent. 25% of my play is still intact. So I moved my stop from 59 to 60. I mean, from my 20 cent stop to 60 to capture any commission. So I made half of a goal today, and it's playing with me right now because 79 would be the full goal. And right now we're at 71, was 72. It went to 78. 79 is my full goal. Okay, that got to be it right there. That push has to be. I need them to update it. Give me full goal. 75. Come on. That gotta be it. Stop playing. 75. Come on, update. It's gonna update for me. I know. I'm just 77. Come on. That gotta be 79. That push had to be 79. Come on, Suave. Boom. There we go. God damn it. Finally, finally updated. 79. Full goal, guys. Ah, full. Let me put this in my Discord. Sorry. I gotta get used to typing. I need to figure out how I can talk instead of having to do all this typing. And it's 81. Good day, guys. Good day, good day, good day. Full profit goal. I thought I was gonna get just half, but I got full. So good profit day. Again, let's go back a little bit since we are out. Let me double check, make sure I have no working orders. Everything is good. And I didn't play with my full lot size that I normally play. Um I kind of kept it light today. I didn't want to go. I don't know why. I have no real reason why I didn't play with my full lot size that I normally would play with. Um I did about 70% of that. No real reason, to be honest with you, that I just felt in my spirit to not play with so much today. Would have been great. Look at that push. Look at that. But it took a minute for Thinkorswim to update the options platform to update, but we updated and we are good money. Full goal today. All right, so let's go back. Now that we are all out of the play. So just stay with let's stay with no economic news today, right? So there was nothing to read or to see if there would be any catalyst to drop the market. But we did see in the here's the middle chart, which is my day market profile. Each profile represents a day. And we saw that from the 16th to the 17th, value grew from IWM or up to IWM. Value went up, right? But on the 17th, price actually reflected that. So there was a price divergence, right? Even though value IWM went up, other participants didn't feel like IWM was worth that 226 price tag. So we fell. So that would tell me there's a shift, right? So even though we open out of balance to the upside of last profile, we have to go find another reference point, and that was actually January the 6th. which is here. And actually, we opened just below or just above, actually, just above the extreme high of the six, which told us the same thing, right? Volume IWM has gone up from January 3rd to January 6th, but the other participants' price went down. Other participants didn't feel that IWM was worth that high price tag or the 226 price tag. So it fell. So just following what other participants have done in the past, the logical thinking would be to sell because we know other participants have sold from there in the past. They felt that the 226, 227, and we even went up to 228. The 228 price tag was too high for IWM. So logically, I would think to sell, and that's exactly what we did. First 5 minutes, even the second 5 minutes, coming up to the first sign of resistance, which is the January 6th extreme high. You can see some taking profit there, which was looked like what's happening right now. That doesn't mean that it won't continue down, and it doesn't mean that it will continue down. A lot of times we've seen that take profit can result in a reversal a lot of times, or it can be just taking profit and dropping, right? So first sign of resistance is always to take profit. If it does, for me, I'm a 20 cent guy, so if I don't get my 20 cent within that take profit or that first sign of resistance, then I take it all there. I'm always trying to get 20 cent, but if I can get half of that, 75% of my position out at half goal and protect that by moving my stop, I can walk away and say I made money today. Right. So here's an kind of an interesting play right here. So to see if this is going to continue down, we already know by looking at the order flow that prices up here, but other market participants wasn't interested in, so they dropped it. So if price comes back up into this area, even the 227, 60, 65, there's no interest there, right? So if price continues up and we start to see new money come back in to support that or to reject high prices, then it may be a second play. I don't typically like to play two times. I like to just make my money and that be it. But it could be an opportunity for those who think that may happen. VIX is still well below 20, so the emotion is not there. Even though I would have thought maybe more emotion would be in the market since we a day off of the inauguration, but no emotion, no emotion yet. All right, guys, that is it for me. I am done. Pretty quick. Um, we followed the other participants, see what happened in that price point last time, and we just use common sense, guys. We just, trading is not hard, right? And it's not easy either because anything new, it takes time to learn. And the reason I'm saying it's not hard is because you guys have probably heard it before. I've heard it many times, especially at the beginning of my trading career, is that the goal is to follow the bigger players, right? Absolutely. But following them is really not as hard as you think. It's not, if you're a traditional way, if you look at candlesticks traditionally, um, you're missing a lot of information on how to follow them. But if you're using the right tools, institutional tools, market profile, order flow, you can follow them pretty well, consistently. I won't say it's easy. I won't say and I definitely won't say you'll get it right 100% of the time. That's if anybody tells you that they have a system where they can win 100% of the time, please unfollow them immediately. That's a big red flag. Doesn't mean market's gonna do what it's gonna do. It doesn't mean you're gonna be right 100% of the time, but it does allow you to get some consistency. As long as you protect your account, you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. All right, guys. Well, happy Tuesday. Hope you guys made profit, followed along. I'm gonna put a link of my Discord on this description as well. So if you guys are interested, we don't go live until the 25th of January. But early entries are welcome. There's actually going to be a discount, $100 discount for anybody who joins um, early before the 25th, before the launch, and then after that, it's going to go up 100. All right, all right, guys. Well, have a great one. Have a great rest of your Tuesday, And I won't record tomorrow, but Thursday and Friday, check me and we'll try to get back at it. All right, until next time. Peace.